Overnight parts from Japan? Sure.
Did someone say overnight parts from Japan? Here you go.
Oh, thank you, good sir.
Alright, see ya.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you guys seen, overnight parts from Japan. We got the DC5 mid brace. Some of you might be wondering why I got this. And it's to improve the responsiveness of the car. Alright, before we get started, for all of you new viewers out there, this is my Acura Rsx. This is wrapped in a Smurf blue color, also known as the Riviera Porsche GT3. If you guys haven't seen the wrap video, please head over to the channel. We'll link in the description up below. Here's just a little preview of what the wrap looks like. And if you guys haven't seen, this is Matt's 2006 Mitsubishi Evo 9.
So this is mine. Obviously you guys have seen my videos already, so if you guys haven't, link in the description or right there, right? Is it this way? Alright, yeah, just click on that video. So yeah, I just bought, like I said, I just bought my dream car. It's an Evo 9 MR and absolutely in love with it. Clean, completely stock, other than like exhaust and intake. So yeah, head up to that video, check it out if you want to.
If you guys haven't seen, Matt put out 350Z build video.
Oh right, yeah, I sold my 350Z to get this car, but I made a compilation of all the videos that I did to the 350Z. It's a great video to watch too, so make sure to click on that video right above, or I'll link it down in the description below.
I know a lot of you viewers came to the channel to see Matt's 350Z. He put a lot of time and effort into it, and if you guys think that was a clean build, wait till you see what he's gonna do with the Evo.
But today's we're gonna be concentrating on Gary's Rsx. Look how clean the color is. I mean, it's a little dirty, but I mean, still overall really clean.
Alright, we're gonna get into some nerdy stuff right here. I got this mid brace because last winter I got into an accident, and if you guys know, with front wheel drive cars, if you're driving a little too fast, the car starts to understeer. So hopefully by tightening the rear, we're gonna prevent some of that understeer so we can drive faster. We finally got the mid brace out. Can you guys tell which one the Rsx one is and the DC5 one? So this one is from the Acura Rsx Type S, and this one is from the DC5. As you guys can see, the welds are completely different. The welds from the DC5 one, straight lines. These look like welds, aluminum welds actually.
Yeah.
Material, this is steel constructed for sure. You can tell that it weighs a little bit more compared to this one. And you can see that this part of it is longer than this part, right? And then on the inside, you see how this is so much thicker than that. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty good. It's a lot lighter. Like you can see, I'm just like holding it with one hand like this, and with the steel, like it's so heavy. Like you can see me shaking. It's heavy, for sure. Like, yeah, this is like half the weight of this probably, and the wells looks good. I think it's gonna make the whole car a lot more rigid.
I hope so. Cool. All right.
Yeah. So you saw us kind of take it out. We were trying to hope to take it out without pulling out the rear seats, but you actually have to, and also got to remove the plastic trims on the side of speakers. So that was kind of simple, just a few bolts. But now we're just gonna put this back on and put everything back together. It's pretty much the reverse process of us removing it.
And if you guys think I should leave the car gutted, what do you think? I've never had a gutted car before. This is my daily. I've never had a gutted car.
Yeah. In order to really like weight saving, you gotta remove everything, all the plastic trims, the trunk
carpet
pieces, the carpets, the spare tires.
The spare tire probably weighs the most.
I think at most, if you take all that out, maybe like 50 pounds, is it?
Maybe, yeah.
Because
maybe.
the most weight is the spare tires, and these plastic trims, like, really not much. I mean, how much of an improvement can you really make from 50 pounds, you know?
Gutting the interior would probably just be for show.
For show, yeah. For show, for sure.
For show!
It's freezing today. My toes are like feeling kind of numb right now.
All right, let's get this back together so we can get out of the cold.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright guys, everything's back into the car. As you see, we decided not to gut the car. Maybe that'll be for another time, because right now if we gut the car, we're gonna have everything in the back seat. It's just gonna look a little sketch for the meantime. Maybe another day we'll pull everything out and really gut it and clean it up and make it look nice, because right now it's super dirty.
Yeah, so you saw the video all the time last week, got everything in, easy peasy. And we're actually gonna go out,
Shoot some rollers for you guys.
Of both the cars. We got the Rsx and the Evo, so we're gonna do some roller shots.
Let's see if I can pull on the Evo, you know?
Alright, so we're gonna get going right now, so we're gonna pack up a little bit. And so yeah, enjoy the roller.
We just got here.
Yeah. So it's our first time our cars are together, and we're just gonna take some photos together. Nothing too professional. We're still amateurs on taking photos, so we'll try our best to make it look nice. But yeah, it's our cars are finally together. This is the first time they're meeting.
Yeah, yo, finally we can update the banner.
Yeah. So we're gonna be updating our stories. If you guys haven't followed our Instagram, make sure to follow us. We usually post a lot of pictures or videos of our cars at Ikigai Driven. So I'll link our Instagram right here on the tag. Bing, bing. right, my turn. Yo, this is a nice spot for a photo, right?
Yeah.
So we're at the rooftop and this is a nice sunset right now. Look at this. It's a true beauty right here. These two cars. If you guys are trying to take some nice photos, it's better to take it during sunset. And so that way like the sunlight is not too harsh or anything, and you got the perfect sunlight in the background. All right, so we're gonna go in, get something to eat at the food court. We're at a mall right now, so and then we're gonna go to an arcade. And we love going to this arcade because they have like these Japanese prize. Yeah. So so we're gonna go in, and I guess we'll show you around as well.
This is what we got.
I got the usual teriyaki chicken. Best. Yeah.
I got the Philly cheesesteak. Yeah. And some fries. I already ate.
It's bombing. It's good.
12 seconds later.
How was it?
So good. So good. I was so hungry.
Done.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try to get some Dragon Balls, some Gokus. So the whole point of this game is that you got the ping pongs, and you gotta try to land it on the blue boxes. Come on. Alright, let's see if I can do it. There's a lot of balls already, so there's more chances to get landing through the blue boxes. Sometimes you get two balls. I finally got it in. Yes! Nice, nice. We both got it in. So we gotta see. Let's get it. We both got it in.
I got one too.
Woo.
Which one do you guys want?
Let me see.
You can choose from either side also.
Oh, okay. Damn, that looks. Can I get this one? The 9th
Super Saiyan 4?
Yeah.
Sure. Me too. Me too.
We spent so much money on this. How much would it cost just to buy one?
I know the XQ figures, they're $30.
$30?
This, 25.
Oh.
How much would
I don't know how much Tanjiro or Miku is. 30, I think.
How much would it cost if I gave you some money and you gave me another box?
That I cannot do, I'm sorry. For you?
Okay, I'll take that. Yeah. Sweet.
And one for you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Nice. Yeah, awesome. We both won at the same time. Thank you. Oh man,
Crazy.
this is what we do every time when we come to round one. We go for the Dragon Ball stuff, and
Beautiful. The only thing I've ever collected.
yeah, I know. We don't really collect stuff, but this is the only time we actually collect anything. So.
Alright guys, we're just trying to show you some of our life besides modding the car. We hope you enjoy this type of new vlog style we're trying to do. But Matt has to go
Yeah,
all the way
I'm
back.
gonna have to go back to all the way to Philly, so it's like a 2-hour drive. So yeah, hopefully we'll meet up again soon and do some more of this stuff because it's been a while since we've been together, right?
Yeah.
All right, so
Peace.
see ya.